Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video I'm showing you guys my top foundation for oily skin. I have oily skin, so these are the best foundation that keeps my skin from being oily. They are the best foundation I can think of right now. They are the best foundation I can recommend for you. If you are struggling to find the best foundation for your oily skin, watch this video till the end. And if you are new here, click on the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up if you like this video, click on the notification bell so that you can be notified anytime I post a video. Let's jump straight into the video. Let's go. So the first one is NYX One Stop Can't Stop foundation. This foundation is a full coverage foundation. It's lightweight, it's waterproof and pigmented. It's the best covering foundation that leaves the skin naturally flawless, like naturally flawless. So if you are looking for a full coverage foundation that is not too heavy and cakey, this is the best foundation for you. This is the best foundation for you. Look at my skin right now. This is the foundation that I use, NYX One Stop Can't Stop foundation. This is what I use. So like, this is the best. NYX is the best foundation for you, no doubt. This is the best foundation I can recommend for you. If you have oily skin like me, this is the best foundation for you. So, and you'll come back thanking me enough. The next one is Rimmel Match Perfection foundation. This foundation is invisible coverage. It's weightless, not too heavy on the skin. It has a smooth texture, lasts for 24 hours and leave the skin very hydrated. It reduces pores and dark circles, like those dark circles, like it reduces them. So this foundation is for the ageless, those kind of stuff. So this is also the best foundation for oily skin. So yeah. So the next one is Maybelline Superstate. Maybelline Superstate. This is also a full coverage 24 hours foundation. It's lightweight yet high impact coverage formula for a flawless makeup and lasts all day. So this is also the best foundation for you. So the next one, CoverGirl 3-in-1 foundation. This is a 3-in-1 foundation that contains liquid foundation, concealer and powder all in one. So you can imagine these three things all in one. It gives you a natural flawless look and lasts all day. So yeah, so this is also the best foundation for oily skin and it can last you all day. So the next one is LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation. This is a high definition long wear illuminating liquid foundation. So if you are looking for a flawless foundation, this is the best foundation for you. It's a full coverage foundation, very lightweight, and it can last you all day. So the last one is L'Oreal True Match foundation. This foundation is super hydrating and provides medium coverage, and it gives you a natural look and very easy to blend on the skin. It keeps your skin looking radiant and healthy. So these are the best foundation for oily skin. So if you are struggling like I was years back, this is the best foundation for you. Comment and let me know what you think about this foundation. Give a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe on your way out if you are not yet subscribed to my channel. Click on the notification bell so that you can be notified anytime I post a video. Share this video with your friends and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Bye.